Starting off, I'm going to use this Aqua Nature Hydrating Management Brightening Toner. I normally use this to clean my face, not to remove my makeup or anything. It's more like water, just normal water. I use it to clean my face in case there is any dirt or anything on my face. So I use this to clean my face. I'm going to use it right now to clean my face before we start with the makeup. So after cleaning it, in order to prevent it from drying out, you're going to have to like moisturize your face. So this is where you need your moisturizer or anything that you're using on your face. But I'm going to be using this Physician formula. It is called Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. And this one is also the same. This is the brightening and this is the hydrating skin booster. I'm going to be using both of this on my face just to like moisturize my face before I go in with any other thing. Gonna use my hand to just rub this in. While I wait for all this to set into my skin, I'm going to just, do my eyebrows. I'm going to do that off the camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So the next step is my foundation. I'm going to be using these two foundations. This Mary Kay and this Milani foundation. I'm just going to mix both of them together. And in this step, you're going to be needing your beauty blender or your makeup brush, whichever one you love to use. I'm going to be using my beauty blender. Whenever I said I'm going to be using two foundations together, this is how I normally do it. I use one to highlight my face, then I use the other one to contour. So you can see this is the Mary Kay right now. I feel like this one is a little bit like closer to my skin, is darker than the first one. So I normally use the darker one to contour and use the lighter one to highlight. So now I'm going to blend this out. Do not forget your neck. Always, bring your foundation down to your neck. Now to highlight under my eyes, I'm going to be using this Maybelline concealer. Then I'm going to use my beauty blender again to just blend it out. To bake my face, I'm going to be using this black Opal finishing powder. It helps to keep my makeup longer and also help in getting rid of other excess oil from foundations. So while I wait for all this to set in, I'm quickly going to give my eyes some love. I'm going to be using this Catrice Cosmetics Bond eyeshadow palette for my eyeshadow. These days I love to choose only this color for my eyeshadow. I really love it. I don't know. So now I'm just gonna add some glow or some glitter on top of this, and we are going to be done with. Like, I'm not doing anything extra today. Before I used to spend like 2 hours 3 hours doing my makeup, but now I spend more like 30 minutes or even less doing my makeup because I'm always busy. I'm a busy mom. I always have something to do. Now I'm going to line my eyes using this MAC Blacktrack eyeliner. This eyelashes is totally optional. Even I don't wear eyelashes all the time, but I feel like just like spice this whole makeup and need to just, you know, put something on this eyes. If you don't like to wear eyelashes, please just save yourself the stress, put on some mascara and you're done. So I'm taking the darkest shade from this eyeshadow to contour my face, which is this one right here. So right now I feel like my face is a little bit itchy from all the powder. I'm just gonna spray this MAC Pre-Prime setting spray to just, you know, set everything in. Then I'm going to use this MAC Studio Water Weight Powder Press to define the area that I highlighted on my face. Now to glow my face. Do I even need that? I feel like my face is already glowing. Well, I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna use this from this same palette to glow my face a little. I'm going to line my lips with this Davis lip liner. I'm going to apply this classic Jane matte lipstick. So guys, this is all for this video and I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.